boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 18th 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, it's actually 2 stars because I'm faster than the 20 minutes. I solved this in 60 minutes, I believe. Yes, so 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle I will do now. I will do this now, and it will be number 4571. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. And that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Okay, so let's get started. O and a 1, well, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise we have 3 1s in a row. So the 1 should be here. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's in the first row. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes, between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Yeah, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Then. Let me think. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then I think we need to compare. Is this really true? Well, we have here 1, 2, 3. 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Okay, now we need to compare. Compare the rows or compare the columns. That's the question. Okay. Well, here I cannot compare. 001. Do we have 001 here? 001, yeah. Yeah. This one and the first one. Okay, 1 1 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Yes, completed in 5 minutes. All right. Great binary with only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Yes, it's a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.